YouTube, welcome back. So today we're going to change this 2009 Honda Civic, and this one's the EXL model. So when you have the wrench sign, that means maintenance required. And as you can see, it says negative 63 mile. That means we passed 63 miles. So if you have 5,000 miles that needs to be changed the fluid or the oil, then you pass 63 miles already. So today we're going to change it.
Low battery.
So let's go ahead and pop the hood. So I put the hood rod already and open the oil cap. This one's the 5W20. And normally I like to remove the dipstick, so when I drain the oil from the drain plug, it is easier to flow it out. So right now the engine is kind of hot, so I'm going to show you the guy under the car. So now we're under the car, and the oil is on the passenger side, which is over there. Okay, that's the drain plug, and then the oil filter is right there. So you need like a adapter to take it out, or you can just use your hand. If you didn't tie it too tight, just hand tied it, then you can just use your hand to untie that filter. We're gonna get the drain pan and get ready to take that one out. Okay, we had to use the 17 millimeter, okay, or 11/16. Depends on which matrix that you go with. So I'm going to use the short one. And this is my cap to remove the oil filter. So I got my drain pan over there already. I got it breaking loose. So I'm going to use tight space here. I break it loose already. There you go. It's draining. And then gonna wipe the plug, clean it up. Gonna let it drain. Wow, pretty black. Okay, I'm gonna let it drain and for a little bit. Alright, so it's still a little bit slow dripping. We're gonna let it finish dripping for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna put this drain plug back in. Okay, make sure you clean it nicely, and we're gonna plug this back in, and we're going to remove this filter. Let me see if I can loosen it with my hand. I should be able to loosen it up because I did a hand tie last time. Okay, I just hand loose this already. Okay. Get the drain pan. The oil is going to drip down, so let it drip. Yeah, make sure you have a rag ready just in case. Gonna dump it upside down, let the oil come out. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get a rag and clean it up. So this is the new oil filter. Normally I like to fill it up, a little bit oil in there, new brand new oil, and then a little bit of kit around this O-ring right here on the top. And I use a synthetic. And then I'm ready to screw it back in. Gonna wait until the oil drip out first. Okay. So I'm gonna clean those oil that just around the edges right there. And you could clean by the filter if you want. Surround the rim. So no more dripping. So we could start cleaning it out right now and put it back. Alright, the new filter is in. I just hand tied it. And that's all you need. I'm gonna fill out the oil. So now I'm gonna fill out the new oil. So this is 5 quart. So it's take about 3.9 quarts, but it also depends on how much you drain the fluid, like all the way down, whatever. So we're just gonna put about 3.8 and then start checking with the dipstick. See how clear it is? Yeah. Let's see. So I'm gonna dig down 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe a little bit about here. Check it again. Ooh. I'm gonna start the engine and then put the dipstick in there and check it. So I'm gonna take out the dipstick and clean it and then put it back in and check the level. So it kind of it's on the low side, right? Yeah, it's low. So I gotta add some more. Okay. It should be good. Oops. Normally it started for like 15 or 30 seconds, let it run, and then turn out the engine and check it again. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna reset the magnets required. All you do is just plug in the key kind of to the second position. Okay. And then we're gonna keep on pressing this select reset button right here. Press and hold it down. There you go, now it's flashing. Alright, so what we did was we press and hold down the select reset button right there. And earlier it shows flashing. So you need to let go and then press it again until you show all your life 100%. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.